Hello everybody, what is up? I am Drunk Pumpkin and today I am going to be fighting wolves. There is quite a few there and I will probably die. But anyway, I won't die. Not today. So just grab my diamond armor so I might have a chance. Okay. Let's put it on. That looks cool, but no. Anyway, I've got my diamond sword. I have to break the side of the wall. And here we go. Yeah. No, why aren't you attacking me? For some reason they are not attacking me. Ooh. You have to not do it with diamond swords. Ah! I am going to die. I am sorry. I was saying I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. No! Idiot. No. I've nearly won. Ah. There is like a little baby wolf and it's like really deadly. No, I will not lose. Now that was hard. Please don't be another one in here. Victory is mine. Anyway, goodbye.